Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a method that you can use to make money by doing searches on Google. Yep, you can make money doing searches on Google. This method, I'm going to show you how to do this, is a pretty good method, and I'm going to show you how to exponentially also double and triple your amount of money that you can make with this particular method as well today. So if you want to stick around and see this, it's going to be a pretty good one here. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, I like to do to tell the people that are brand new to my videos, or if you're first time here to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, well, go ahead and reach down there while you're thinking about it. Below the video, click that red subscribe button and click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos like you see here, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alrighty, well, with that out of the way, guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. Now, show you what I'm doing here. I come over here to Google. Like I told you we were going to do, I'm going to show you how to make money just by doing Google searches and clicking on links on Google. So what I did was I come over here to Google, and if you'll notice right up here in the, I could do this with anything. This is just an example to show you, so it can get you an idea of what's going to happen here, okay, what we're talking about. So I typed in car repair shops here, guys, and it gave me a listing of car repair shops. Most of them are around my area here in the state of Ohio where I live at here. But the thing about it is you see all of these places right here are on the very first page of Google, which is where everybody wants to be, right? Anybody with a website wants to be on the first page of Google. That's called search engine results pages. So when someone does a search with the keywords related to their business pops up right here on the first page, as you see right here. But I'll tell you what, most people, nobody wants to be clear down here. You see my mouse is down here at the bottom on the pages right here, guys? And nobody wants to be down on the fourth page down here, or the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, or 10th, because nobody is going to click down that deep to find what they're looking for when they can find it probably in the first 2 pages, guys. In the first 2 pages, maybe 3. They might go 3. Usually when I'm searching for something, I don't go much past 2 pages myself. So what we're going to do today is we're going to help business owners and businesses to get their businesses ranked up onto the first page with Google by how we're going to make money. Alrighty? So let's go ahead and get started on this now. Now, you're going to need 2 things for this particular method here. You're going to need to come over and download the Google browser. You need to have the most updated version of, not Google browser, I'm sorry, the Firefox web browser. Google Chrome will not work with this. Okay, I know that sounds unusual, because usually Google Chrome's for everything on the internet, pretty much. But for this particular method today, this Google Chrome is not going to work. You need to have Firefox. And you can come over to mozilla.org right up here, you see in the address bar, and download Firefox. And or the other browser that you will need for this particular method is Microsoft Edge. You see it right here. Come over to Microsoft.com and download Edge if you don't have it. If you already have Windows 10 on your computer, you've already got Microsoft Edge built right into the Windows 10 operating system. Alright, so get those 2 browsers installed on your computer, or at least one of them, either Firefox or use Edge, or one of those. If you're using Macintosh, you should be able to get a version of Firefox for the Mac computer, and you can use it too. Alright, then once you get that done, all we're going to do is come over to this site right here. It's called SerpClix. You see it right here. You're right up here in the address bar, guys. It's called SerpClix.com. SerpClix is a site where businesses and people can come to buy clicks that will cause their click-through rating with Google to rank up there, and thereby moving their business website or their website up to north of the 2nd page onto the 1st page of Google ranking. So that's what people can do. They can come here and grow their SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. Alright, and they can come here and buy this particular product right here, and they have pricing here for it and stuff, and so on and so forth. They got the starter. This is relatively expensive pricing, But hey, businesses already have money in hand to spend, right? So they can come here and buy these particular services to be able to get their website up as high as they can on the search engine. And they can buy website traffic with real human clickers in their countries, and they can even do targeted type of clicks or things like that too. Because as you scroll down through here, you can see how to buy targeted website traffic from SerpClix. SerpClix tells them that. It says why buy it. It talks about here that this increases the click-through rate for your search engine results page SERP listing, which can be very positive. And you can see here that Google talks about that it does the click-through rating. The click-through rate does affect people's website rankings in the Google search engine, which we know that Google's the largest search engine in the world. And you can read right here, it says, what does Google say about click-through rate? Well, it shows you right here some of their articles and their postings about it here recently on their own blog and stuff. So people can come here and buy these clicks with certain package prices, and they can slide up and just whichever and find out how many searches and keywords they want or whatever. So now, but what we want to do is how are we going to make money with this? Now, so we are going to become a clicker. Like it says it up here, it talked about the clicker, buy real human clickers in your country, right? So what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this website, guys. And right here under the column headed by account, right here, you see my mouse is, come down here to where it says become a clicker right here and click on that. Now it says right here, get paid to visit websites. It says you can earn from 5 cents to 10 cents per click, and they have a 10% referral commission. The payout is a minimum of only $5, guys, to be able to get your money, and they will be paying you in PayPal. And this site's been online since June of 2016, so it's got about 5 years of age on it, and that's a good thing. And they can see how many users are online right now, right here. You see the number fluctuating, current people online. And then it tells right here, it says right here you need the Firefox extension. Our Firefox extension, that's why I told you needed to have the Firefox web browser and the Microsoft Edge web browser. Firefox extension detects the country of your IP address and instructs you what keyword to search. And it'll explain it down through here too. Then there's no application required. It says anyone from any country can work with SerpClix. We do not filter or interview workers. This is a great option for easy money in countries with low job opportunities. And as you can see here, all of our clickers are paid via PayPal once they reach the minimum threshold of just $5, as I showed you right here, guys. Payout minimum is $5. And they will pay by PayPal. So you want to make sure that you go to paypal.com, use the email address that you sign up with PayPal, use it when you sign up here to be a clicker, and click on Google Sites here on SerpClix. And then what you want to do is you just want to click right here. It says click here to join the network. So if we click that, it brings you over, and you have to fill out this form here. Now I've already got an account, guys, so that's why you're seeing my sign-in information here. And then I'd use the PayPal email address here. Of course, they're asking for it right here as well. PayPal email, you see this. So email, create a good password, put your PayPal email in there, and confirm it. And then you can, it's optional about where did you hear about us. If you want to, you can, in this section, you could type in this right here as to where you heard about this from. Something like this right here, right? You could type that in right there. Tell them that you heard about this from Kevin Lehner, Freedom Motivator, on YouTube. And that'll help me out as well, okay? But it's optional, guys. I'm just messing with you. You can leave that blank if you want. You don't even have to type anything in there. Click on Submit right here. You'll be agreeing to their terms and privacy policy. And then just click on Submit, and that'll get your account started. And then you'll just get signed right in here. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to log into my account, and then once you get signed in, it brings you back over here, and it says welcome to SerpClix. It says each month we pay thousands of dollars to clickers around the world. Our system is easy to use and a great way to earn extra income in your spare time while you're online. And to see how much you've earned, you click on earnings up here, and they have a frequently asked questions page, and you can earn an extra 10% for 3 months on any earnings from clickers that you refer, and then so on and so forth. And then it comes down here and it says how to do clicks and get paid. And it says here, in order to earn money as a SerpClix clicker, you must meet the following criteria. Pretty easy, guys. You must be a real person to access SerpClix and work. So are you a real person, or am I talking to a bunch of robots? Okay. I don't think I'm talking to robots here. All right. And then down here it says you must install the latest version of Firefox or Microsoft Edge, like I pointed out to you earlier, right? And then it says here you must install the SerpClix browser extension for either Firefox or Microsoft Edge, and it'll put it down here, will show you. And it says here it is how to use the SerpClix browser extension. Not going to read through all that. What it does is it puts an icon, as you can see right here, right up here, about like where you see my TubeBuddy one is right here. It puts an icon there, and that's where you'll use to log in when you want to start doing clicks. And it says after you log in successfully through the extension, the toolbar icon will reflect the number of orders available for you to work on, as you can see right here in this particular picture right here, this pic. And it says here, our system will determine your location and assign a quality score to your IP address. Depending on your location and IP score, available orders will appear. So then all you got to do, guys, for example, it shows right here, you just copy or highlight and copy the keyword right here, and then you just simply come down here and paste it into the Google search engine, guys, and then do a search for it, and then look down. It says right here it'll be highlighted in red when you find it in the Google search engine. It'll be highlighted in red, and it says it will not be, but it will never be past page 10. Remember, people are trying in them lower pages, trying to get up to the first page, right? So that's what you're going to be helping them do, and getting paid for each click. So it says here, but if it's past 10 pages, you just ignore it and go on to the next order. So you'll see it will show up in red. You can then click on that keyword right there, and then you wait on the page right here, as you can see. And so long as you must remain on the site during this time, it'll do countdown, and when it's done, it'll do a countdown right here, you see, and then it says the click was accepted, and then you can go and check in your earnings, and you will see it reflected how much you made, whether it was a nickel or 10 cents for that particular click, and then you just go back and do it again and again and again, racking up money with each click. Now, let's look at it seriously here, guys. You're not going to get rich to do this, okay? What you can do is you can come up here and you can click on referrals right here. And when you click on referrals, you see that you can earn more by referring friends and family or even strangers here, it says, guys. So right here is the affiliate link that you'll get when you sign in. Now, you can paste this affiliate link on all kinds of different places. Whatever you can think. It could be Instagram, it could be Facebook groups, it could be anything for people looking to make money, right? So I've got one I want to show you, though. You can come over here to this site right here, guys. It's Find a Forum. If you look up here in the address bar, it's findaforum.net. So what you want to do is you do it, and you come over here and you click on categories, and you see right here that they have Make Money Online forums, guys, and look right here, I've already clicked on it, and it's forums and making money online. And guys, there's all kinds of them down through here that you can get signed up to, and you can share your affiliate link with SerpClix in the forum discussions and drive more clicks over to your, and get more referrals signed up to your SerpClix, so that they can make money with their clicks. And guess what? The more referrals that you get to sign up, because you're going to get 10 cents for everything they click on too, you're just going to be able to make even more and more and more money doing that way. So that's how you can double, like I told you back in the beginning, you can double and triple your amount of money with this particular site, because just being a SerpClix clicker yourself, it would take too long to make any kind of a sizable amount of money. But it's good money for extra spending money. You're not going to get rich on that. Now, if you're interested in making even more money, well, what you want to do is you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch my free video presentation that will show you the formula of how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer and be able to make thousands of dollars, even in one day's possibility. Alrighty, guys, well, that's the video I had for you today. I'm going to leave you with that. Make sure you come down there and check out mentorwithkev.com if you want to make more money than this. But this is a good way here to help you make some good spending money, and you can make some good, better money with this if you share your referral link, like you see right here, guys. And then use find the forums. I mean, you can do classifieds or whatever else to do this and make money by driving clicks over and let other people join under you, and you make money from them. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that. That's the video I had for you today, guys, and the method I had. If you like this little method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you would. It'll help my channel and help the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you got any comments or questions about this particular method, just leave them down below, down there in the comment section. I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button down there and click that little notification bell as well. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day now. Bye-bye now.